What's up, guys? Welcome back to Light Talk. Rob and Chris back again today. Gonna kind of change gears a little bit, talk about a little bit something different as opposed to our products that we have.
So, what's the first thing you think about when you wake up in the morning?
Smart lighting.
3D renderings.
But that's a dumb intro. So I think about 3D renderings.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. So we just wanted to let everybody know we have some new technology that we've been using, and I'm sure Evan will pop some stuff up on the screen here. But
It's incredible.
it is remarkable what we can do for some 3D renderings. We're using it mostly on commercial properties right now, and it really enables the customer to use it for board approvals, budget approvals, things like that.
The technology that goes into it's amazing. I mean, it really, it's so lifelike, it's scary.
Honestly, unless you look close, it's very hard to tell the real picture from the rendering.
Yep.
There are times where I have to really study.
Yep. So when we have our lights dialed in as far as lumen output, the beam spread, all of that, it's perfect. It looks identical to what it would look like in real life.
I mean, basically, it's an insurance policy for the customer.
Sure.
You know, with very little investment, they can see exactly what the whole property is
if they're spending $30,000, $40,000 on a system, whatever it is, you know, what's a couple $1,000s to protect that spend.
Yeah, make sure it's exactly what you want. We just did one for a customer, and they came back with a couple questions and said, what about this and what about this, and all questions that they would have had after installation.
Right.
They're actually providing before installation. We can tackle those now.
Yeah.
And there's reasons why we did it the way we did it.
Sure.
And so because we can't get wire in certain places and things like that, and so it enables us to address those issues up front before we go do the install, and then they figure out, what we were talking about in the quote.
Then we're in a mess.
Yeah, and they didn't visualize it in the quote, and this enables them to visualize it right away.
Yep, absolutely.
It's really a fantastic tool.
Yeah, it sure is. So it's another one of our services that we're providing. Again, it's mainly for commercial projects, but anybody that would need that insurance, like you said. So it definitely protects the buyer for sure.
And it's amazing.
Yeah, it is. It's crazy.
We'll show you some stuff. I'm sure Evan will put some stuff up, but we basically build the whole property in a virtual world, and so we can get the view from any angle. We can have the sunset. We can bring the sun up. We can show you different light levels, what it's going to look like. The one we just did has a street light right next to us, so you can tell how the street light affects the property. It is remarkable.
So kind of a sneak peek into the future too is to be able to have a walkthrough, like I said, a virtual world of an entire, say, a campus, a university, and have lighting projects all over the university, and present the vision to them of, hey, this is what your campus can look like. This is how our system can communicate. But lay that out in a virtual world and literally have virtually you can walk through the entire campus and see all the lighting
exactly how it's going to look.
Yes,
it is absolutely incredible. So check out what we can do. There's some stuff online as well about it, but if you have an opportunity, get us involved, because it is amazing, and the customer is really really impressed.
Yep, definitely a great selling tool. So guys, thanks again. Thanks for watching.